I'm bringing you a wireless remote shutter release. Is what comes in the box. If you do long exposures or nature photography, or you just need a shutter that is wireless, back in the day, you had to plug your shutter release with a cable and then have the cable and then hit it to be able to take photos. Times are done. Now you got a wireless shutter release, interval, taking interval with interval timers, and just doing like long exposures for space photography, but like for the moon or the sky or stuff like that. These bring the remote for it, and the shutter release or the timer controller has a wristband for your remote, so you can just put it here and you can carry it. It's rechargeable, so it will take 2.5 hours to recharge them, and then you can use them for in 15 days because they don't consume a lot of power. USB A to USB C cable, and then you get two connections of 2.5 millimeter to 2.5, and then you have the 3 pin for the older devices. So 2.5, and then the 3 pin for the older camera, like T7, Canon 5D, and older cameras. And then you can use this one with the mirrorless too with this connection. All you do is connect this to your, not this one to your shoulder release, and this one to the camera, and then you control it with your remote button, and then it'll tell you there what are you gonna do. You can do different modes, so you can control long exposure. You just tell it, you set how long you want the exposure to be. So you put your camera, you can do bulb, and then, or you can look for bulb and then set it up here and click the button, and they'll keep the lens open or the shutter open for what you want here. It has up to 99 hours, and then you keep it open until the timer goes off. You can do long exposure. That's like at night. If you want to like take a picture of the sky and see all the everything that's in the sky, you can just set it to long exposure. Or if you do light paint, you can go in the field and set it up with this and have it open for however long you want it, and then you can use a light to do designs, and then you will have a picture with a really cool looking design or the name or with my name to practicing. You set it to long exposure, but before I used to go hit the button and then run, start doing it. With this, you can go up to 200 feet, so you can just set it and forget it, and then you can just click it and start working on your long exposure. Or if you need to take a photo and you want to be in it, you can just take this, walk, and take your photo. So it's very convenient. Have a whole bunch of three modes. It has three modes that you can use: shorter release, time intervals, and then long exposure. So definitely recommend it for the price. Wireless. It support old and new cameras. So definitely recommend it. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.